Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. So I'm going to show you two methods how to get dents out of canvas. You can have a look at the results and see which one suits you. So the first one is the easiest. All you're going to need is a spray water bottle and a hairdryer. So I've created some dents in this canvas here, the letter E, just so that I can, I've created one along here as well, just so that I can show you how it looks at the end. The reason dents happen is probably because you've either propped your painting up against a piece of furniture or another painting and it loosens the fibres of the canvas. Often it tends to happen when the canvases are a bit old and they're not as tight onto the frame. So this one's fairly tight, like I'm pushing up against it and you can't even see it. It's fairly tight because it's brand new. I just bought it for this tutorial. But if your canvas is loose, then it's a lot easier for you to get dents. So I would suggest obviously tightening the canvas first on the frame. Make sure the dents are out really before you paint. So this one I've actually painted so that we can see if it affects the paint in any way. So for the first method, all you're going to need, so actually you can see it in the back of the canvas. All you're going to need is a water spray bottle and a hairdryer. Okay, so what we're going to do is put your spray bottle on a really fine mist spray, and you're just going to want to spray, probably also going to put some, just spray the section that has the dent in it on the back. So obviously not onto the painted side. So I'm just going to spray that. You want to make sure it's quite wet. Okay, so it's got water on it, and then you're going to want to use the hairdryer. I would say on a medium setting first, so I'm just going to do that. Okay, so already you can see it's mostly gone. There's literally not much of it left. I'm going to whack it up to high heat now and just finish drying it off. Okay, so finished drying that off. So as you can see, the ridges are completely gone, and on this side as well. There's nothing left of the dents, it's all gone. So that's the first method. I would say that's the easiest method. In terms of how the paint looks on the other side, it still pretty much looks quite good. So I actually just spray painted this, but it's like acrylic paint, I guess. If your painting is in oils, then you may get a bit of cracking, because obviously what it's doing is the water and the heat together is contracting the fabric back together. So if you've got a heavy bodied medium on the canvas, then as it's contracting it may crack the paint. So yeah, you want to sort of keep an eye on that and just watch it as it's doing the job. So I'm going to show you method number 2 now. Okay, and the second one, I've just got another canvas that I've also sort of dug loads of holes into, dents into. What I'm going to do this time round, so this is a slightly different method, still kind of using the heat kind of theme. So you want to get a really old towel and lay that down. You want to put the canvas face down on top of it. Let me move this along. Then you're going to want to spray the section again with water. And then you're going to need a nice dry iron, and you're just going to basically iron your canvas. And the steam is going to it's practically all gone. And on this side as well, there's no dents. So that's the second method. I would probably stick to the first method just because there is a chance of the paint coming off the back when you're using an iron because it's just so hot. But yeah, both methods work. Let me know how you guys get on, and hope you managed to get all your dents out. Thanks for watching today. If you enjoyed, please hit the subscribe button, and look forward to seeing you soon with a new video.